What if I told you that over 2,000 years ago, ancient engineers built a machine so advanced that it wouldn't be matched for centuries? A machine with gears, calculations, and predictive abilities so sophisticated that many scientists call it the world's first computer. And for centuries, it sat at the bottom of the sea, forgotten. This is the incredible story of the Antikythera Mechanism. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to Talking Tech for more fascinating stories about technology, innovation, and the mysteries of science. In the year 1901, a group of sponge divers exploring a shipwreck near the Greek island of Antikythera discovered something strange. Among statues, coins, and ancient treasures was a corroded lump of bronze that looked like little more than a rock. At first, nobody paid much attention to it. But when researchers examined it more closely, they noticed something extraordinary. Inside the corroded mass were gears. Not just a few gears, but dozens of precisely crafted bronze gears meshing together in a complex system. The artifact was eventually dated to around 100 BCE. That meant this machine was built more than a century before the birth of Christ. The discovery shocked historians. According to everything they knew, technology this advanced shouldn't have existed in the ancient world. So what exactly was it? As scientists slowly reconstructed the device, they realized they were looking at something remarkable. The Antikythera Mechanism was an ancient analog computer. Its purpose was to calculate astronomical events. By turning a crank, users could predict the positions of the sun, moon, and even several planets. The machine could also forecast eclipses years in advance. Think about that for a moment. More than 2,000 years ago, someone built a mechanical device capable of performing complex astronomical calculations. It was essentially a hand-powered prediction machine. The mechanism contained over 30 interlocking gears. One gear system even accounted for the moon's irregular orbit around Earth, something many believed ancient civilizations couldn't calculate mechanically. When researchers used modern X-ray imaging to look inside the fragments, they discovered inscriptions that functioned like an operating manual. The machine wasn't magic. It was the product of brilliant engineering and advanced mathematical knowledge. Many experts believe it may have been connected to the scientific traditions of ancient Greece. Some have even suggested links to the work of Archimedes, one of history's greatest inventors, although no direct evidence proves he built it. What's even more surprising is that the Antikythera Mechanism appears to have been unique for its time. After its creation, similar technology seems to vanish from the historical record. Complex geared mechanisms would not reappear in Europe until medieval astronomical clocks over 1,000 years later. It's as if an entire branch of technological development was lost. Imagine discovering a modern smartphone buried in a medieval castle. That's roughly how shocking the Antikythera Mechanism felt to archaeologists. It forced historians to rethink what ancient civilizations were capable of. The machine also teaches an important lesson. We often imagine history as a straight line where technology constantly improves. But that's not always true. Knowledge can be lost. Civilizations can decline. Inventions can disappear for centuries before being rediscovered. The Antikythera Mechanism is proof that human ingenuity existed long before the modern age. Its creators understood mathematics, astronomy, and engineering at a level that continues to amaze experts today. Even now, researchers are studying the surviving fragments, hoping to unlock more secrets hidden within its gears. What other incredible technologies might have existed in the ancient world? And how many have been lost forever? The Antikythera Mechanism remains one of the greatest technological mysteries ever discovered. Machine built centuries ahead of its time. A forgotten computer from the ancient world, and a reminder that history still has many surprises waiting to be uncovered. If you enjoyed this story, make sure to subscribe to Talking Tech for more incredible tales of technology and innovation. Thanks for watching.